Resha's garden. Today we're going to harvest corn. All right, so let's look at this. If you see this is where it is pollinated, and the bees, I have a lot of bees in the garden, but it's pollinated up here at the top, and then it falls down on the corn and it pollinates the corn. Now I see one that's ready. Gotta get back in here. And you can tell it's ready by this right here. Okay, so how we do it is we pull down and up. And this is a corn on the cob. Okay, let's open this up and let's see what we have here. All right, so nice corn on the cob here. All right, so we're going to try to harvest some more corn on the cob. I have some more that I can harvest. You have to fill them first to see if they're full. Okay, we've been getting a lot of rain, which is really good for the corn. And there's a lot of corn on the cob in this earth box. I could have just really planted one row, but I planted 2 rows. But I could have just planted 1 row, but there is a lot of corn on the cob. You can boil corn, you can grill corn, you can fix corn however you want to do it, or you can take it off the cob and eat it. But we have a lot of corn on the cob, and once we get some more, we will harvest more. We're just grateful for what we have today. I can't wait to taste the corn that we harvested today. So as you can see, this corn is almost tall as I am, which it doesn't take much, but I planted this from seeds, and this was the sweet corn Sunny Days hybrid seeds. Okay, and it was to harvest in 78 days. And I just planted the seeds in the earth box, and there you have it, corn on the cob. All right, we have some more, come right here, but we're gonna wait until this is ready. This is not quite ready, if you can see it here. And here's one right here also. It's not quite ready. Okay, it's getting there, but it's not there yet. Hopefully within another week or so. And I planted this corn on the cob. We have one side, this side was planted first. And then the other side was planted. This is getting there. There's a lot of corn on the cob on this, in this earth box here. And then I have some growing on the other side. Remember, when show them this right here. When they this isn't dark enough. When that gets darker, then it will be ready for us to break it off. But it's not dark enough. All right, so once we get some more, we'll harvest some more. Right now, we're just happy for the ones that we have. All right, everyone, happy gardening to you. Bye-bye.